Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, explores the human side of finance, emphasizing that financial success is more dependent on behavior and psychology than technical knowledge. Here are the key points. Soft skills matter. Financial success is not solely determined by intelligence or technical expertise, but rather by how individuals behave and manage their emotions when dealing with money. Emotions play a significant role. Our emotional responses, such as fear, greed, and envy, significantly impact financial decisions. Housel argues that understanding and managing these emotions is crucial for making better financial choices. Time horizon. Having a long-term perspective is essential for financial success. This means avoiding short-term thinking and focusing on steady, consistent progress rather than quick gains. Biases and flaws. Housel identifies 18 common biases and flaws that affect financial decisions, including seeking status and envy, focusing on past experiences, ignoring the power of compounding, overemphasizing short-term gains, underestimating the impact of small, consistent savings. Practical advice. Housel offers practical advice, such as start saving early and consistently. Avoid getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Focus on building an emergency fund. Prioritize financial freedom over material wealth. Storytelling approach. The book uses short stories and anecdotes to illustrate these concepts, making it an engaging and accessible read. Key quotes. The premise of this book is that doing well with money has a little to do with how smart you are, and a lot to do with how you behave. Financial success is not a hard science. It's a soft skill, where how you behave is more important than what you know. We think about and are taught about money in ways that are too much like physics, with rules and laws, and not enough like psychology, with emotions and nuance. Overall, The Psychology of Money provides a refreshing and insightful look at the human side of finance, encouraging readers to focus on developing good habits and managing their emotions to achieve long-term financial success. If you liked this video and found the summary of The Psychology of Money helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful book summaries.